Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Form 5 Exam Practice 6. This video we will be talking about more about polynomials and also locus with equidistance method. So polynomials, we are just practicing the long division here, nothing special. So we want to know the quotient and the remainder when this thing is divided by this thing. So what we do basically is long division. So how do we do long division? Of course, first of all, draw your sign and then write everything that's there. So this is divided by that, and then you put this there. Before that, do you still remember what is 21 divided by 2? We see the first number can be divided. So 2 divided by 2, 1. And there's just 1 left. Can it be divided? Just 0. So 2 times 0, 0, and 1 is left. So this 10 is the quotient and this 1 is the remainder. That's what we have to do. We find something on top, and after calculation we also find that in remainder. Cool. So this one first. X squared times what will be 3x squared? We have square here, we need a cube. So how many more x? Just one more. So you have the one more x. How about number? It's 1 here, you need to make it 3. So 1 times what will be 3? 1 times 3. So that's it. X squared times 3x, you can get 3x cubed. And now these things are coming along, so if you leave them alone, that will be unfair to them. So what we do is give them the trial of 3x2. Let them try the taste of it. So x squared times 3x, we already got this. And then this. Negative 2x times 3x. Negative 2 times 3 first. Negative 6, and then x times x, x squared. And then negative 3 times 3, negative 9x. Everything is done. Draw the line. And then there is a hidden minus every time. So 3 minus 3, done. 4 minus negative 6, you can get that as 10x squared. And then negative 5 minus 9, so you get negative positive 4x. And then 7 just lie down. And then let's do this again, just like we did this 1 divided by 2, we couldn't, so we put a 0. Now here as well, 10x squared divided by x squared. X squared and x squared is cancelled out, just 10 is left. So plus 10, 10x squared. Next, we can't leave these alone, so negative 2x times 10, negative 20x, negative 3 times 10, negative 30, hidden minus. So 10 minus 10, done. 4 minus negative 20, you get 24. And then 7 minus negative 30, so you get positive 37. So your quotient is 3x plus 10. As for your remainder, it will be 24x plus 37. Easy, right? And one more thing that is for your own habit. Write everything that has x cubed on this line. X squares, x, and then the constants. This makes yourself less confused as well. So let's do next one. Also long division. These are all just long division practices. So just in case you forget something, and these are not required with calculator, so why not do it, right? You have x squared minus 2x minus 5. X times what is 4x cubed? You have 4x first, 4x, and then negative 2x times 4x, negative 8, and then x times x, x squared. Negative 5 times 4, negative 20, and then x there. And then there's a hidden minus, so you do that. 4 minus 4, done. 5 minus negative 8, 13x squared. Negative 4 minus negative 20, you get positive 16x, and then 6 just come down. And then redo the whole thing again. So 13x squared divided by x squared, you can get that as positive 13. Oops. So 13x squared. Negative 2 times 13, negative 26, and then there's an x. Negative 5 times 13. Remember to click calculator if you can't do very quickly in heart. And even I don't actually. I always rely on calculator a lot. Why else are there calculators? And the hidden minus. So 13 minus 13, what do you get? 0. 16 minus negative 26, you can get that as 42, and then don't forget the x. And then 6 plus 65, you can get that as 71. Why did I say 6 plus 65? Because negative, negative. That's why. So your quotient is this one, and your remainder is here. So remainder is in blue and quotient is in orange. That's very good, right? So let's just continue. We have 2 more long divisions. So draw divided by this thing. So x times what is 5x cubed first? You have a square and then you need 3, right? So you need 1 more x, and then 1 times what is 5? 5. So you have 5x. Good. And then we can't leave the others alone, but then before that, x squared times 5x squared, you get 5x cubed. And then negative 5x from here. Negative 5x times 5x, negative 25x squared. Negative 6 times 5, negative 30x, and then nothing is left. So just draw. 5 minus 5 done. 4 minus minus 25, no, 29x squared. And then negative 2 minus negative 30, so you get positive 28x, and then plus 4. And then redo the whole thing. 29x squared divided by x squared, you get 29. And then negative 5 times 29, what do you get? Negative 5 times 29, you can get negative 145x. And then negative 6 times 29, you can get negative 174. Draw the line, hidden minus. And then we have 28 plus 145, because the first one is already 0. 29 minus 29. So 28 plus 145, you can get that as 173x. And then 4 minus minus 174, that means 4 plus 174, you can get that as 178. So your quotient is, okay, remainder is this blue one, quotient is this orange one. Okay, now let's do next one. Long division. 5x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x plus 3 is divided by this thing. Remember to pause the video and do it on your own. So first of all, x squared times what will be 5x cubed? 5, and then 1 more x, 5x cubed. And then we can't leave these empty, so negative 4 times 5, negative 20 x squared. Negative 7 times 5, so negative 35x. Draw the line, hidden minus. 5 minus 5 done. 4 minus minus 20, you get 24. And then negative 5 minus minus 35, you can get that as positive 30x. And the other, just copy down. And then next, because 24x squared divided by x squared, you get 24. And then negative 4 times 24, you can get that as negative 96x. And then negative 7 times 24, you can get that as negative 168. Draw the line, hidden minus. 24 minus 24, done. 30 minus negative 96, you can get that as 126. And 3 minus negative 168, you can get that as 171. So your remainder is this, your quotient is that. So that's it for this video. We are done with long division, and then we have locus equidistant. We can continue in next video. All right, or we can do one. Okay, in next video is fine. See you. Ta-da, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.